my channel. Today in this video, in this topic, I want to tell you about the future continuous tense. How we will use the future continuous tense and what is the future continuous tense. So let's begin our topic, future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. The definition is there, those actions which will going on in the future, that is called future continuous tense. मीन those actions वो काम जो फ्यूचर में जारी हो, जो फ्यूचर में जो आने वाले वक्त में जारी हो, उसे फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं, फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. सो द नेक्स्ट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. इसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब आते हैं. हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो हमारे सेंटेंस को मदद देते हैं. हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज विल बी एंड शैल बी. विल बी एंड शैल बी इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस tense. Then the positive formula is there. Positive formula is coming here. What is positive formula? Subject plus helping verb plus first form for with ing is coming here because it is a continuous tense. Then object, then full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus first form for with ing plus object plus full stop. If the example is there, they will be cooking food. They will be cooking food. They is our subject, will be is our helping verb, cooking first form for with ing is there, then object is there with full stop. Full stop. So this is the positive example and this is the positive formula, and the next is negative formula. What is negative formula? Subject plus helping verb will. At the first will come, then note is there. After note, before note just will come. After note be is coming here. The same helping verb is there. Then first form for with ing is present. After that object is there. Then full stop. Then how will write the example of this? They will not be. The same I gave the arrow. These are same. These are one example. Before not we are using will, after not we are using be. So then first form for with ing is present. Then in the ground, they will not be running in the ground. So this is our subject, helping verb plus not plus be is there. Then running first form for with ing, then it is a preposition. And the ground, why we are using the? Because the ground is a specific for a player. The ground is a specific place for a player. So this is the negative example and this is the negative formula is there. The last is interrogative formula. What is the interrogative formula? Interrogative formula, it means that we are asking question in this formula, in interrogative formula. So helping verb will is there at the first. Helping verb will is present, then subject is there, after subject be is present. The same helping verb is there, then after be first form for with ing is present. First form for with ing is present, then object, then question mark. Helping verb plus subject plus be is there plus first form for with ing plus object plus question mark. So the interrogative example is there, will he be driving a car? Will he be driving a car? He will is our helping verb. Then subject is present, the same, it is attached with will, be is attached with will. Then driving is our first form for with ing. First form for with ing, then article is present, then object is present, then question mark is present. Question mark. So this is our interrogative formula and it's our interrogative example. So if you will have any question regarding this topic, regarding future continuous tense, so I am ready to answer you. Kindly tell me in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.